guys, welcome back to Christy's World. Today I'm coming to you live from the newly launched Michuki Gardens, and in Nairobi we have several parks that are just open to public for people to just go and relax. And the newest launched one was launched by the president yesterday, and I decided to just come by today and see how it looks like. If you've not subscribed to this channel, please do so, and let me take you on a tour of this new park. I can see it.
You can enter. The way it looks like. But Mtoni ilikuwa hivyo. You can now see how it looks like. This place pale mbele, it was like this.
Now it's like
now
this.
It is like this.
Oh, mto before
yes,
and after.
before
after. Guys, I thought I had finished my tour, and then right at the junction I met those people over there, and they told me that I've actually not gone to some of the best parts, and I'm told it's an amphitheater. So let me go that side and check out that amphitheater, and yeah, we'll see it together. That's the open air amphitheater behind me. It's the one that I was told earlier on to check, and as you can see, a lot is still going on. So I think in the next few months, it's going to be a much better place, because although it's now launched for the public, open to the public, it's still new and there's still so much that has to be done. They're still planting trees and they're still working on it, and I think it will be a beautiful park because it's within the CBD, not within, but it's still near CBD. It's right on Kijabe Street. When you're on Kijabe Street, that's where the main entrance is. The gate is that's the gate over there, and this is the Media Max building. There's something good about just being in open air spaces and being one with nature. As for me, this is one way that I relax. An open place where there are people and where there is nature. The river is flowing, as I've shown you. You can it's a good place to even just sit and meditate, and there are so many benches around. You can sit, meditate, just feel the breeze, just feel the water flowing, just look around, see people, and yeah, it's good for our mental health. So whenever you're bored or you've no plan, yeah, just come here, and I promise you, you leave feeling better mentally, and you want to come back again and again. These and the other parks that are available within our country. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.